Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio in this 2017 Ford Ranger. So, onto your music. This is the record playing. If you look at the bottom there, the silver triangle and the 3 silver circles, if I click on that, it shows you at this moment in time you have a choice between to connect to iPhone or play through the iPhone or sync. There's a tick next to sync. If there's no tick next to sync, just click it like so. That's it. And then over here we need media. You've got Bluetooth devices, that's where it was paired, so we want media. So if I click the home button there, you've got entertainment here, entertainment, and then along the left hand side it gives you what you can use this to play. AM, FM, DAB, CD, USB. We click the down arrow and then it brings you onto SD card, line in, and you'll see my phone there. So if I click my phone, that's it.
Code, it's not about the salary, it's
catchy. Not my usual style of record, but really catchy. So that's how you play music or stream audio.